Students, look at the question. Toluene, let me show you. Methyl benzene is called toluene. It is undergoing nitration. I know that substitution of the nitro group must take place. Everybody look at methyl. In general, every alkyl is electron donor. Ring is getting electron, so ring becomes active. So we can call this group as ring activator, and everybody knows that ring activator is what director? Ortho-para director to the electrophile. According to this, so we can write the two products here, the two nitro products here. One is ortho-nitrotoluene, another one is para-nitrotoluene. So that is easily we can write. Am I right? Yeah. Then I can see reduction reaction, and the reducing agent we used here tin in HCl. I know that nitro group here, it undergoes reduction. I know reduction, removing oxygen, and in the place of oxygen we are introducing hydrogen. So NO2 after reduction become what? NH2. So the product we are getting here, it's orthoaniline, orthomethyl aniline, and para-methyl aniline. That's it. Now you can see we got a primary amine product. It is undergoing diazotization. I know that primary amino group is becoming now diazonium salt. Got it? This is a common sense. The two products we are writing here, one is diazonium salt at ortho, primary amine become diazonium salt. Here we have a diazonium group at a para position. Finally, they are saying that you are going to heat this mixture with the cuprous bromide. When I will see this, I will realize that they are talking here about Sand-Meyer's reaction. You know that in the Sand-Meyer's reaction, nitrogen gas escapes out. This halogen will get attached to the place where a leaving group diazonium was present. So same here, the leaving group is a diazonium group. You are saying that a bromine will get attached over here now. It's Sand-Meyer's reaction. You can see the synopsis. I have explained it. So the product we got is a toluene here. The toluene here at orthobromine, at parabromine. That is orthobromotoluene, and this is parabromotoluene. Finally, we got the mixture of ortho and parabromotoluene, that is can be seen at option A. So students, we must tick here option A as the right answer.